Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to Picsart background change. So let's begin. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now here in the middle, you can see this plus icon. Tap on this to create or open a new project. Now you can select any of your older project or even create a blank object. For now, here I'm selecting this older project. So you have entered this editing platform. Now here on the right bottom, in order to change your background, swipe right until you find this option called fit. Tap on this fit icon. Now you can see the option called background. Tap on this background. So as you can see, there are different type of background that are available here. Select any one of them. So as you can see, if you select it, it will change accordingly. You can change according to your preferences. And at last, tap on this tick button on the top. So now you're done. Your background has been changed. You can even import your images right on top of it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.